know about the election is the basics. The first term you need to know throughout this whole thing is that what the president is. Well, you probably already know what the president is, but the president is the main man in charge of the country. To get elected for president, the person does some arguing with the other candidate, and they're either a Republican or a Democrat, and that's a whole different story that we're not going to get into. So basically, how this works, they do some campaigning, they go to different states, they tell the states, hey, vote for me. One person from each party go up at each other, they spill the tea about each other. They don't want the other person to win, they want to win. Then there's the final argument. That argument is between the last standing Democrat and the last standing Republican. And they go on and hopefully win the election. That's the whole point. The entire time during the election, they're just arguing, they're saying what they believe in, what they stand for, and hoping that they win the states that they want. Then the people of the country vote for the president. They go in, they do some polls, they vote for the president and the vice president, but that's not the case. Your parents or whoever is 18 years or older, they're actually going to the polls and they're voting for an elector from the electoral college to vote for the person. What in the world is the electoral college? Well, I'm about to tell you that. The electoral college is made up of 535 members, and 100 of them are the state senators, and the other 435 make up the House of Representatives from all the states. And then at the end of the night, if the candidate gets 270 votes, they win presidency. Woo! Then a few months later, the inauguration happens, which basically is a ceremony saying, hey, you're in charge of the country now, we basically depend on you. That's basically what happens throughout the whole election. That's how that process works. From ChiefTV, I'm Torrie Bryant.